In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Fortnite without signing into the PlayStation network and whether or not it is possible to do this. Now, if you try to open up Fortnite on your PlayStation, you will get a prompt telling you to sign into your PSN account, and regardless of whether you have PlayStation Plus or not, it will first verify your account and then allow you to play the game. Is there any way to bypass this verification and play without signing in? To answer this question, sadly, no. As of today, Epic requires you to log into a valid PlayStation Network account to be able to access Fortnite. However, there is something you can do if you are having problems or trouble signing into your PlayStation Network account to play Fortnite. Over at the Epic Games website, you can log in using your credentials or your PSN account. Go to your account page by selecting your name at the top right corner of the screen, and within your account management page, you can go over to Apps and Accounts, switch over to the Accounts tab, and in here you will be able to remove your PlayStation Network account in order to sign and attribute a new PSN account to your Fortnite account. However, like I said, you will still always need a PSN account to properly play Fortnite. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, to let people be aware that it's impossible to play Fortnite without signing into a PSN account on your PlayStation. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.